me show you how we get it outside.
And today on the channel, that's right, today on the channel, we are going to do a challenge today. 6 deliveries, and I'll get $110 plus all of my tips. Now, as it stands right now, I'm getting $126 and some change as it stands right now, because this order right here had a $16 and some change tip. So everything's going good, and that puts 2 more deliveries towards my running total. I'm under 50 right now towards getting platinum status. Now once I get platinum status, I will have to do another 100 deliveries to get diamond status until September. So we'll see how that goes. I'm hoping by next weekend I should be able to achieve the platinum status. And then by the end of June, I should have diamond status. But we'll see how it goes. But so far so good. I got the first 2 deliveries over here for the first batch. Doing good. My goal today is 150 or more. Now with the first delivery, if I get the 6, there's no reason why I can't get at least 150 plus today. So I'll catch up with y'all when I get the next delivery. So I just got to my next batch. It's 2 deliveries. This is what it's paying out. It's about $23 and some change from Aldi's. So it's pretty good order. Now the second delivery is further than I want to drive, but it's close to like Aldi's and some other grocery stores and places I can shop on Instacart. So I may be able to pick up another order while I'm shopping. At my third batch, the first store at the third batch, it's Garrity's, the fresh grocery store. But what was cool though, before I go shop this order, it only had 11 or 12 items, and then I had to go to another store, Wise, and had like 12 or 13 items that I need to pick up. But what's cool about it is that where the deliveries are going to, I can pick up a shipped order and deliver that. But I'm waiting to see if the total is $12 and some change as of right now. But I want to see if when it gets closer to the pickup window, if the delivery will be paying more, like the add promotional pay on top of it. But my last batch I did, the second batch, the first delivery was the same delivery that I did for the first batch. So the guy saw me a second time, gave me a crisp $5 bill, so that's another 5 on top of it for tips. So I'm doing good. So we'll see what we get after this. I'll let y'all know if I have time to pick up that shipped order or not. We'll see. When it hits 2 o'clock, I'll have a full hour to pick it up and deliver it. So we'll see what happens. I should have time to pick it up, depending on how long it takes for me to shop both stores. Man, so I picked up a Wegmans order. Only had 13 units, 12 items. I get over here and the gentleman was waiting outside for me, which was cool. And then I got a $5 tip, so it puts me at over 50 for tips today. So if I get two more Instacart orders, batches, I could be looking at 170 for the day, and that would be great. That would be great. I'll put my total this weekend close to, because I made about 80 yesterday, so if I did make around 170, that'll put my total this weekend at 250. So I'm cool with that this weekend, and then I'll be working tomorrow as well. Hopefully I get another 150 tomorrow, and I made about 400 for 3 days worth of work. That's going to be excellent. But we'll see what we can get into. I'm going to head back to Wegmans and see if I can get two more batches and be done for the day. I'll catch up with y'all after I get my next delivery. But looking good so far. Man, so yesterday it was way too dark to record anything yesterday after I finished doing my Instacart yesterday. But I made almost 200. I'll put the final totals at the end of the video so everyone can see the total breakdown of what I made and how close I was to 200. But yesterday was a good day, you know. It was the most I ever made in this market for one day, which is good. I'm saddened that I wasn't able to get to 200, but I was close. And y'all will see at the end of the video how close I was and the breakdown of how I got paid. But it was still a good day. You know, with one app, I can't complain. Now, at the end of the day, when I went back to shop for other items to make dinner last night, I was waiting for deliveries or a delivery that would paid enough that I could have went over 200. But all the deliveries I seen were either too many items, not paying what I wanted to pay, or driving way too far. So it was still a good day yesterday. Can't complain. It just wasn't what I wanted to make. But I'm about to go inside to Wegmans. I got a triple that's paying $39 and some change. And it's going to an area where I could potentially, after I do all those deliveries, get a shipped deliver only order at Wise. It says MAF GigEcon. I'm going to run into Wegmans, shop these orders, and get up out of here like Mr. Vontae Davis. And I'll see y'all on next video or live stream. Peace.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay.